and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by none other than Poshglad Braided Wigs. Guys, you already know when it comes on to my braided wigs, I only get my braided wigs from Poshglad. Well, I'm not gonna say they are the only company that I get my wigs from, but whenever I get a braided wig from them, I definitely know that it's worth the money. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys the wig that they sent to me, which is the one that I'm wearing. I'm going to be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So this is the package. They also sent me the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it, and it has, you know, their information on the front. They sent me some masks, even though we're not wearing masks anymore like that, but some people are still wearing it. And they sent me this African printed bonnet, which I am living for. Now for the wig. So this wig is roughly, I must say maybe like 36, 38, around that length, and it is almost like goddess braids, but instead of it being actually braided, it's twisted. So it's twisted, and then they added like the curly pieces to it. And when I tell you it's giving, it's definitely giving. I did install this wig with my hairspray. I didn't use any glue. I tried to keep most of the baby hairs because I realized that sometimes when I pluck out too much, then the front part gets balded quickly. Whereas if I'm supposed to like reinstall the wig, so I tried not to pluck too much of the hair. I bleached it myself. I'm pretty much just install it with some hairspray. So if you guys love to see how I ended up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is one in a million. watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting closer, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even find like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me, yeah.
the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Poshglad Braided Wigs for sending me this beautiful goddess, twisted goddess braided wig. I'm definitely in love. The links will be down in the description box, the links to the wig, if there's a coupon code, the websites, the information, all that will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check them out below. But with that being said, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.